in decades is now docked in Havana. That's the first stop for the 700 passengers on the Carnival cruise ship. They set sail from Miami on Sunday. That historic trip is the latest milestone in the restoration of diplomatic relations between the two countries, but not everyone is happy about it. A small group of protesters gathered outside the port in Miami on Sunday as the cruise was scheduled to leave. I would love to take a cruise today, get away from some of this rain.
Okay, let's go. Just do it.
All right, let's book our trip, Doug. I mean,
let's make it happen. It would be nice because if you stay around town long enough this afternoon, you're probably going to get wet with showers and thunderstorms. So what we're looking right now, there's all the potential in the world there for heavy to severe thunderstorms around here later this afternoon and tonight. The one thing standing in the way is the cloud cover. But that's starting to break up a bit. So let's tell you our weather story. We'll start with a time lapse because this is what the skies look like here for the better part of a week. This is from Northwest Washington along Idaho Avenue. So through the morning, no major changes here, just the clouds and a little bit of light rain in a couple spots. But then as we get to early afternoon, what do we see here? Little breaks of blue in the overcast, and that's the key here as we start to see the sun break through a little bit. As the sun continues to work on the low-level clouds and we get more sunshine, temperatures will rise. The warming temperatures will destabilize the atmosphere and set the stage for heavy, potentially severe weather later this afternoon. Petersburg, West Virginia, 78, 77 now in Cumberland, but look at the difference in our metro area, still in the lower 60s because the persistent cloud cover. But we think it is breaking, and we'll continue to see more sunshine develop through the midday and mid-afternoon, highs in the upper 70s if the sunshine continues to develop, and then the stage is set for a likelihood that some of the showers and storms moving in from Kentucky and Tennessee could turn severe. There's a lot of energy available, potential energy in the atmosphere in areas where the sun is shining, not so much for us yet, but we think that's all in process and will change during the day. So the Storm Prediction Center has put out an outlook putting us in a slight risk for severe thunderstorms this afternoon through all the metro area. So again, everything has to come together, but it sure appears right now with the sun breaking through some, then we're going to have to deal with showers and storms. So our Futurecast shows around 5:30, a couple patches of shower and storm activity south and southeast of the city. But then as we get through 8 or 9 o'clock tonight, it really blows up. And we have still, remember, by 8 o'clock, the sun is just going down. So we've had the whole afternoon to warm up and destabilize the atmosphere. So these showers and storms, that warm air, so the potential of a lot of rain and thunderstorm, even severe weather as late as 11 o'clock tonight before things settle down overnight. So the forecast today, becoming partly sunny, much warmer than recent days, showers and thunderstorms, some severe as we head through the late afternoon, evening, and nighttime hours tomorrow. Back to the same old stuff, cloudy with temperatures in the 60s and periods of rain. Now this is just like last week. Look, day after day. 70% chance of rain tomorrow, 30% on Wednesday, 50% Thursday and Friday. Temperatures a little bit milder than last week. And right now, it looks like we should hit 70 Saturday with some sunshine, partly sunny on Sunday. But to tell you the truth, I wouldn't bet a plug nickel on what the weekend's going to be like.
Oh, Doug, because I was really looking forward to that dry day on Saturday.
It may happen.
Okay, Doug.
It may not.
We'll see in just a little bit. Well, tonight, 7 is on your side. Our troubleshooter, Horace Holmes, is at it again, and he's going undercover to put those air duct cleaning companies to the test. Now, are those dirt cheap specials really worth it? And do you really need to have those ducts cleaned at all? 7 on your side rented a house, had those ducts professionally cleaned, and then hired 8 duct cleaning companies to see what they would tell us about the condition of our air ducts.
With the construction, you don't want that. You don't want to be breathing that.
75. Ooh, 35. We couldn't even.
35?
We couldn't even put gas in that thing for 35.
You need me to.
Wait until you see what some of these companies told us about the air ducts we had just gotten cleaned days before we brought them in for a check. And what about the coupons? Is it a deal or a trick? Join us. Important stuff there. Coming up on ABC 7 News at noon, 3 Purple Heart recipients who already sacrificed so much continue to give back.
Really help raise awareness of how much we need to give these kids some mobility to get around.
How these disabled veterans are helping other wounded warriors and where the journey is taking them.
Create your perfect space with patio enclosures. Whether you want to enclose an existing porch, patio, or deck, or add a completely new space, we can custom design and build a sunroom perfect for you and your home. Right now, receive free blinds with your sunroom purchase, plus enjoy 0% APR for 24 months. This offer won't last long. Call today to schedule your free in-home estimate.
Patio enclosures.
Larry Smith and Autria Godfrey, weekdays on Good Morning Washington.
Did you know that Window World offers 0% financing for your new home improvements?
Whether it's windows, siding, doors, or roofing, you can enjoy America's best value and 0% financing.
Window World, simply the best for less.
Medical-related emergencies are on the rise. 1 in 3 people over the age of 64 will fall this year. Nearly half will not be able to get up without support. We have a solution that is highly recommended by doctors and healthcare professionals. We are offering a free medical alert system to seniors or their loved ones who call now. Monitoring starts at less than $1 a day. Give yourself or a loved one peace of mind. The next 20 orders will receive a medical